Hey guys, so we're going to try to fly our drone today in a moving vessel. So let's see if the drone can catch up with a 14 knots speed of the vessel. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to try it outside because I've done it in my room and it moved a little. But I think I can control it. We will see. Hey guys, so as you see, I crushed my drone intentionally on the railings because I'd rather crash it on the railings than crash it on the water. I cannot retrieve that anymore, so I intentionally crashed it on the railings. It's crazy because, I flown my drone on a moving vessel and I got excited, so I did it, and that's what happened. So there's a little dents on the drone and little cuts on the propeller, but I have extra propeller, but the thing is I left it at home, so we'll try to work what we have now. So yes, that's what happens. So lesson learned, never fly a drone in a moving vessel. So definitely will not do it anymore. I did it once and once enough. So yes, I'll see you on the next video.